Hi, Group 2. Here are your spelling words for your test this week. Your first word is bird. I saw a blue bird on the tree. Bird. Your next word is third. You are in third grade. Third. The next word is wire. I had to connect the wire to the smartboard. Wire. The next word is tire. I had to get a new tire on my car. Tire. Your next word is crier. That baby sure is a crier. Crier. The next word is flyer. I put up a flyer for the turkey trot. Flyer. Your next word is fur. My dog's fur is so soft. Fur. Your last word is a surprise word. Your surprise word for this week is dirt. After recess, there was so much dirt on the rug. Dirt.